Hi, this is Amy from the Alti store. We're here at SBI in Vegas, and I am here with Rob Haddock, and he is the founder of S-5, and they've got terrific mounting solutions for metal roofs.
How are you, Amy?
I'm fabulous. So can you tell me a little bit about your company?
Sure. S-5 was started in 1992 with the first patent filing as a solution to attach anything and almost everything to standing seam metal roofing.
Sure.
And my background has been for 45 years now within the metal roofing industry and community. So I'm a student of metal roofing. One of the things that makes us a little different than some of our competitors in this market space is that we actually came from the metal roofing end.
Gotcha.
And the solar folks found us because obviously solar gets mounted on roofs, and we had attachment solutions to mount things to roofs.
Right, like satellite dishes.
Satellite dishes, service walkways, HVAC equipment. One of our core markets is also snow retention to prevent rooftop avalanches.
Right.
And so that's where we started. I invented a technology in 1992 to be able to attach things very securely and very permanently to standing seam metal roofs without violating the warranties of those roofs, without penetration of those roofs, and so on.
Right.
And over time, our product line has expanded to attach to still to metal roofs, but to through fastened metal roofs as well as standing seam. And we've provided attachments from everything from fall protection to HVAC to service walkways and of course solar.
Right. And we can see here that there's as many solutions here as there are types of metal roofs.
Exactly true.
Right.
Over time, there are many different standing seam profiles.
Sure.
So, one component doesn't fit all. And as our company expanded and we sell globally now, profiling of metal roofs is different in Australia than it is in Germany, than it is in the US, and there are a variety of profiles throughout the world.
Right.
So as we expanded our business, we developed solutions for all those profiles and all types of metal roofs. And we now manufacture about 137 different SKUs. That are used on all different types of roofs for all different kinds of applications. Our name has almost become synonymous with metal roofing in our own North American market.
Yeah, absolutely.
As well as a few others around the world.
Right. So kind of this is a nice example of something that would just grab onto the standing seam and not do roof penetration.
Exactly.
And then we've got lots of other options.
Yeah, as time went on, we made interface hardware for different kinds of applications. So one of our core markets is snow retention. So we developed some rather unique and innovative snow retention alternatives. The same thing is true in the solar space. We have a basic clamp that is milled and drilled with threaded holes to be able to hold things, but there's a piece of interface hardware sometimes necessary to get a module adaptable to that. So we developed our PV kit and some other little nuances to make it easy for different applications to interface with the clamp.
And so if the customer has an interesting application that they're not quite sure what to do with it, we at Alti can work with you guys and make sure that we get the right solution for them.
Correct, and if we don't have the right solution, we'll innovate the right solution. We've been awarded over 50 patents in our 25-year history. So we keep innovating, we keep improving products. Early this coming year, we'll come out with our next generation PV kit. And we've introduced now rib bracket. That's new this year. And our solar foot, we're unveiling at this show for the first time. So we continue to innovate. We manufacture everything in our own ISO certified factory in North Texas. So everything that we do is US made and quality stuff, and and we test everything out the wazoo.
Yeah.
We spend a fortune in testing our products to determine holding capacity.
Sure.
We publish all that information online to make it easy to engineer a system.
Right. Well, wonderful. Thank you so much for taking the time, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you, Amy.
All right.
Pleasure having you. Sit by the fire.